apple bloom for the Cutie Mark Crusaders. And down here, we have the Statue of Liberty rarity and these 2 eggs. They have surprise blind bags inside. They also have mystery characters in here in the blind bag. I'm so excited to open up this My Little Pony Cutie Mark. So let's get started and let's get opening with this My Little Pony Cutie Mark. Guys, can you guess what's inside the blind bag? Leave it in the comments. So I'm going to be opening up the bottom right here. And so here's our little collector's guide that all the ponies that we can collect. It's safe! Okay, so we already unboxing these Cutie Mark Crews. We opened up Rarity, Twilight, the mystery character, Rainbow Dash, and Fluttershy. Now we're going to be opening up these new ones. But first, this one got popped, so let's see. Confetti. Here's our lovely little apple bloom for the Cutie Mark Crusaders. So here is Apple Bloom. She got a bow in her hair and she's in the neon collection. Oh, and look at this. She has this little ship. Aww, look at Apple Bloom. She's so cute. Now we're going to be opening up Pinkie Pie. Here's a Pinkie Pie. Actually, look, she's a little sea pony. Here's Pinkie Pie as a little sea pony. Oh, look at her. She has a beautiful tail. And here's her 3 balloons over here. Cool. And she got this little bus. Whoa, Pinkie Pie riding on the bus? No way. Okay, so we finished opening up Apple Bloom and Pinkie Pie. For now, let's open up the Statue of Liberty rarity. Oh. And here she is! Look at her, Rarity! Oh, here's our beautiful Rarity. We got her as an equestrian girl right here because her hose is very like this another Rarity character with the cup. And she has beautiful hair just like Fluttershy. And here's her diamond Cutie Mark. And she comes with this little headband. So you can put it on her head right here. And she comes with this. It's a Statue of Liberty. So we can put this on over here. Look at her. She's so cute. Now I'm gonna be unboxing the blind bags. So let's take off this one. Okay, the confettis came out of here. Let's open up with the scissor. Okay, let's see what's first. So cute! Hey guys, this is our mystery character. This is Daring Do Dazzle. Oh, she is so cute. Oh. And look, she comes with this little camera accessory. Aww. Camera. Here we go. Now let's open up another pack. Opening up another pack. Okay, the confetti. So Applejack, she is so cute, and look, here's our Applejack. She looks like a equestrian girl like Rarity because she is so cute. And she comes with this little Eiffel Tower. Here's the Eiffel Tower that Applejack comes with. And then we're gonna be putting this one. Oh, look at her. Okay. It's time. It's a confetti party. Let's drop all the confetti. 1, 2, 3. Whee! Whee! Okay, guys. That's the end of this video. I hope you have fun. We opened up all of these My Little Pony Kitty Mark clues. We have Applejack, Daring Do Dazzle, Rarity, Pinkie Pie, Apple Bloom, Rarity, Twilight Sparkle, the Mystery Character, Rainbow Dash, and Fluttershy. Okay, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye. Okay, guys. So we have our lovely mystery character Spitfire. Wow, isn't he beautiful? So we have all of these collection of My Little Pony, and I got this name is Smolder, so I got his name. So we got Applejack, Twilight Sparkle, Rarity, Statue Liberty Rarity, Daring Do Dazzle, Rainbow Dash, Pinkie Pie, Apple Bloom, Smolder, Fluttershy, Rainbow Dash, Twilight, Rarity, and Fluttershy, Sunset Shimmer, and Spitfire.